Another day, another story. The discovery of gravitational waves was a major breakthrough in the field of astrophysics. In 2015, a team of scientists detected ripples in spacetime caused by the collision of two black holes, confirming a key prediction of Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity. Gravitational waves are ripples in the fabric of spacetime caused by the acceleration of massive objects. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, these waves travel at the speed of light and are produced by the most violent events in the universe, such as the collision of two black holes. For decades, scientists had been searching for evidence of these elusive waves. In 2015, the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, LIGO, detected a gravitational wave signal for the first time. This signal was caused by the collision of two black holes, each about 30 times the mass of the Sun, located about 1.3 billion light-years away. The detection of this signal was a major scientific breakthrough and confirmed Einstein's prediction that the acceleration of massive objects produces gravitational waves. It also opened up a new field of astronomy, allowing scientists to study the universe in a completely new way. Since the first detection in 2015, LIGO and other gravitational wave observatories have detected numerous signals, including signals from the collision of neutron stars and from the merging of black holes of different sizes. The discovery of gravitational waves has also led to new insights into the nature of black holes in the early universe. It has also opened up new avenues for studying the universe, allowing scientists to probe the most violent events in the cosmos. In conclusion, the discovery of gravitational waves in 2015 was a major scientific breakthrough that confirmed a key prediction of Einstein's theory of general relativity. It has opened up a new field of astronomy, allowing scientists to study the universe in a completely new way and has led to new insights into the nature of black holes in the early universe.